Hello friends, is your car struggling with acceleration, engine knocking sounds, or is that dreaded check engine light on? If your scanner shows P0334, then your Knock Sensor 2 circuit is experiencing intermittent issues. A faulty knock sensor can lead to poor engine performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and even engine damage. In this video, we'll explain what P0334 means, its symptoms, sensor location, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0334? P0334 stands for Knock Sensor 2 Circuit Intermittent, Bank 2. This means the Knock Sensor 2, KS2, on Bank 2 is sending inconsistent or erratic signals to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The knock sensor helps detect engine knocking and adjusts ignition timing accordingly. If this sensor is faulty, the PCM can't adjust properly, leading to engine knocking, loss of power, and poor fuel efficiency. Common symptoms of P0334 include check engine, light on, loss of engine power, knocking or pinging sounds from the engine, rough idling or hesitation while driving, increased fuel consumption, and poor acceleration and sluggish performance. Ignoring this issue can result in severe internal engine damage over time. The Knock Sensor 2, also known as KS2, on Bank 2 is typically located in these areas, on the engine block or cylinder head, usually near the intake manifold, and under the intake manifold, which is common in V6 and V8 engines. Additionally, you might find it near the firewall side of the engine, depending on your car model. Also, don't forget to check the wiring harness and connectors for any loose, broken, or corroded connections. Now let's talk about the common causes of the P0334 error code. First, a faulty Knock Sensor 2, which could be worn out or malfunctioning. Second, damaged or loose wiring, including corroded, frayed, or disconnected wires that can cause intermittent signals. Another potential issue could be carbon buildup in the engine, which can lead to incorrect knock sensor readings. Also, engine overheating might be a factor, as it can damage the knock sensor and surrounding wiring. Lastly, although rare, a bad PCM or powertrain control module could be misinterpreting the knock sensor signal. Alright, now let's dive into fixing the P0334 error code. First, scan for additional codes like P0325 or P0330 to check for any related issues. Next, locate and inspect the Knock Sensor 2 on Bank 2 for any visible damage, and then check and clean the wiring harness and connectors to make sure there are no loose or corroded wires. Moving on, step 4 is to remove any carbon deposits from the engine, as these could be causing false knock readings. If needed, replace the Knock Sensor 2 with a new one. Ensure the PCM is functioning correctly by resetting and testing it. Finally, clear the codes and take a test drive to confirm the fix. To wrap things up, a faulty Knock Sensor 2 on Bank 2 can lead to loss of power, poor fuel efficiency, and potential engine damage. Fixing the P0334 code will restore smooth engine performance and help you avoid costly repairs down the line. Want to learn more about related issues? Watch these next videos. P0322, Ignition Distributor Engine Speed Input Circuit, No Signal, and P0323, Ignition Engine Speed Input Circuit Intermittent. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car repair tips.